Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech Tricks World. Today I'm gonna talk about split view in Mac. This is one of my favorite features of Mac because with this I can use two apps side by side, which really saves my time. To do this, make sure at least two apps are open on your Mac and both must not be in full screen before setting it up. So I have Chrome opened here and I open Note app. Both are not in full screen view. To make sure, like this is not full screen, and go to that Chrome. You just have to put your cursor here and you will see the options: tile window to left of the screen, tile window to the right of the screen. Just click on any. If you click on the left, then Chrome will be in left and other app will be on the right. If you click on the right, then Chrome will be on the right and other will be in the left. I will choose this one, and like this you can see Chrome is in left and here is the Note. We just have to double click here and this will be in the full screen now. So before setting it up they should not be in the full screen, but after setting it up they will be in the full screen view. With this separator you can just make one smaller and one bigger, like this, as per your need. So that's it. This is how you can use split view in your Mac. You can just click here to exit out of that. That's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.